Okay, so this is question 13. It was a statistics question. In an archery competition, Liam shoots 72 arrows, hitting the target shown each time. Liam's scores are displayed in the frequency table below. Find X, the number of times Liam hits the bullseye, the 10-point zone of the target. Well, we can see that he hits 5 6 times, 6 11 times, 7 9 times, 8 14 times, and 9 19 times. So we're trying to work out what this is here. So this is how many arrows he shot. He shot 6 that hit 5, added to 11 that hit 6, added to 9 that hit 7, added to 14 that hit 8, added to 19 that hit 9, added to X, which hit 10. And we know that that was a total of 72 arrows. So let's add this up. 6 plus 11 is 17, plus 9 is 26, plus 14 is 40, plus 19 is 59. So 59 plus X is equal to 72. So just use algebra. Take 59 away from both sides. We get 22. Take away that is... Oh man, I should use a calculator. 72 minus... Well, 70 minus 50 would be 20. It's 11, is it? No, 13. 13. Okay. Yeah, it's definitely 13. Okay, so there it is. Find X, the number of times Liam hits the bullseye. All right. Then it looks for the modal target score for Liam. That's the mode, which is the value he hit the most. So the guy he hit the most was 9. All right. That was his target score. He hit that 19 times more than anything else. So modal target score is 9. Find the estimated mean score of a single arrow given your answer to the nearest whole number. Now this is going to take a second, guys, so be patient with me, right? Because what you got to do is take 5 multiplied by... Hang on, let's clear this for a second. Okay, you want to take 5 and multiply it by 6. Add that to 6 multiplied by 11. Add that to 7 multiplied by 9. Add that to 8 multiplied by 14. Add that to 9 multiplied by 19. Add that to 10 multiplied by 13. Okay? So and then you want to divide everything by 6 plus 11 plus 9 plus 14 plus 19 plus 13. Okay, so it's going to take a sec. All right, so 5 multiplied by 6 added to 6 multiplied by 11 added to 7 multiplied by 9 added to 8 multiplied by 14 added to 9 multiplied by 19, added to 10 multiplied by 13. All of this is going to be over 6 plus 11 plus 9 plus 14 plus 19 plus 13. But we knew this bottom part already because that's 72 arrows. So that's going to be 5 times 6 is 30. So 30 plus 66 plus 7 nines are 7 nines, 63 plus 8 times 14. So 10 eighths would be 80 and 32 is 112 plus 9 times 19. Okay, I'm going to have to get the calculator for that. 9 times 19. 9 by 19 is 171. Plus 130. Okay, all of that over 72. Which is going to equal, so let's add them up. We have 30 plus 66 plus 63. Plus 112 plus 171 plus 130, which is equal to 572 divided by 72, which is going to equal 7.94444. So 7.94 recurring. It wants it to the nearest whole number, so we say that that is approximately equal to 8. All right, so that is part C. That's for the estimated mean. Then it says, use the values in the table to find the median score, justify your answer. So to do this, we're going to need to rank it. So we got 5 6 times. All right. So we got 5 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He got 6 11 times. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. He got 7 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. He got 8 14 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. He got 9 19 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And he got 10 13 times. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. And we have to work our way to the middle. So I've ranked the data from lowest to highest, and now I have to work my way to the middle. I hope I have the foresight to speed this up in the editing process. Okay, so if I keep working my way to the middle from here, it's just going to be 8. You could add 8 and 8 together, that gives you 16, divided by 2 gives me 8. So the median value is 8. Why? It is the value in the middle. Okay, so that was that one there. In your opinion, which one of the measures of central tendencies from part B, C, and D is most representative of Leem's score? Give a reason for your answer. Okay, so I would say that the answer should be mode, because it's the one he hits the most, all right? So this is the target he hits the most. So if the objective is to hit targets, so the central tendency, the one that he hits the most often, is probably the one that's best representative of his average. And the median comes close, and the mean even closer, or sorry, even a little bit further off, because the values are different, but it's the one he hits the most, so it's the mode. Okay, so complete the pie chart below and show Leem's scores. Label each sector and size of each angle clearly. So I won't be able to do this very accurately, lads, but I can show you the maths and how to find the angles and the size of the angles you should have, all right? So to do this, you need to consider how many arrows did he shoot. So he hit 5 6 times, so that's 6 out of 72. Multiply that by 360, all right? For the next score, which was 6 points, he hit that 11 times, so that's 11 over 70 out of 72 arrows. Multiply that by 360. The next one was 7, and he hit that 9 times, so 9 divided by 72 multiplied by 360. The next one was 8, and he hit that 14 times, so 14 out of 72 multiplied by 360. And then he hit 9 19 times out of 72 multiplied by 360. And then he hit, the last one was 10, he hit that 13 times out of his 72 arrows multiplied by 360. So this is just a bit of grunt work. So 6 divided by 72 is equal to that, multiplied by 360 gives me 30 degrees. Well, it's 29.99999, but we're just going to say 30 degrees. Okay, and then it's 11 divided by 72 multiplied by 360. That gives me 55 degrees. Then it's 9 divided by 72 multiplied by 360 gives me 45 degrees. And the 14 divided by 72 multiplied by 360 gives me 70 degrees. And 19 divided by 72 multiplied by 360 gives me 95 degrees. And finally, 13 divided by 72 multiplied by 360 gives me 65 degrees. Okay, so I'd put that in. So the 95 one I can kind of do. So 95 will be roughly like that. Okay, so that was the score of 9. So 9. Okay, so label 9 points. All right, and 65. No, not 65. 95 degrees. Okay, 70 might be, nah, so you can't really get the rest. 45, 55 might be roughly there, and then 30 and 75. No, that's, no, I've completely, no, but you get the idea. Okay, I'll go through that a little bit more accurately, show you how to use your protractors to get that, but that's it. That's the mock exam.